Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved this nail set using Model 1's new HEMA free gel polishes. They sent me this box over in PR. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. I absolutely love all of the products that come in this box. Now that we've seen all of the goodies, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. I'm starting off with pretty much clean and prepped nails. I've already buffed them, as you guys can see. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my nail dehydrator from Model 1's and then follow that up with my primer. Next, I'm applying the HEMA free base coat to my nails first. And I've recently gotten more into applying base coats before applying my gel extensions because it just adds an additional layer of protection to my natural nail bed. Even though I feel as though my nails last just fine without a base coat, this is more just to protect my nails, especially with me changing my sets so often. And you don't need to apply a thick coat of the base gel. A thin coat will do, and then we're going to cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. For my nail tips today, I'm using my soft gel nail tips for Model 1's. These are the medium stiletto, and I'm absolutely loving these nail tips. They have a really nice rounded cuticle, so I did not have to go in and reshape it at all. They are perfect for those that have like flatter nail beds or you're somewhere in between. I will be applying the nail tips using the 4-in-1 nail glue from Model 1s. I like to go into the base of the nail tip and apply the nail glue, making sure to coat that base with just enough product, not too much, and then whatever's left over on that brush, I just scrape it at the very base of the nail tip. When you go in to apply it, you want to go back towards the cuticle area, not going on top of the cuticle, at a 45-degree angle, and then allow that glue to flow forward without pressing down too hard so that you don't have tons of glue coming out of the free edge of the nail tip and also spilling out near the cuticle. I'm going to show you guys that process for each nail. It's just going to be sped up. And this is what the nails should look like. I'm going to go ahead and cure all of them for 60 seconds. And then we're going in with the Melody Susie drill with a mini sanding bit. And we're just cleaning up around that cuticle area. In case any glue seeped out, you want to make sure that it's been removed off of the skin as well as from around the nail tip. Now I'm going in with a little dipping dish with some acetone and a small brush, and we'll be using this to really seal the cuticles, making sure that they're nice and melted down. You want to use a very small amount of acetone, you guys, and really work it back and forth in that cuticle area. This will also help so that you're not putting too much. You want the brush to almost be on the drier end, because if you're using too much acetone, that can also cause early lifting. So just enough, rubbing it back and forth, making sure that it's melting that nail down for you guys, and that's all. We're going to go in with a little buffer to remove all of the shine from the nail tips. This step just makes it better for the polish to adhere to the gel tip. Whenever applying gel polish over a shiny nail tip, it can cause lifting. So I have gotten that question quite a few times. That's why I do buff the nails. I'm just taking a little lint-free wipe and spraying it with alcohol to remove any dust that I may have remaining on the nail tips. We're going to do a thin layer of that HEMA-free base gel on all of the extensions. And cure that for 60 seconds. And I honestly couldn't decide between these two colors. They're so pretty. I even wanted to apply the yellow, and there's like that tennis green kind of color as well. I was like, oh my goodness, like I'm gonna have so many different nail sets this summer because these colors are so beautiful. But I ultimately went with this like teal seafoam greeny kind of color there. But I definitely painted the lavender on my thumb first, and I was like, oh, this is so pretty. But ultimately we went with this color, and you guys, you have to see it in person. It's honestly like that Tiffany blue. It's so pretty. But I did go ahead and start painting that on the nail tips, and I was really pleasantly surprised by the opacity of this color, especially with this being a HEMA-free formula. I didn't know exactly like what that would entail as far as the pigmentation. But this is beautiful and it's amazing coverage. I did go ahead and do 2 coats of this on my hands, curing it for 60 seconds between each layer. But yeah, I'm loving these colors. I'm probably going to paint my nails this color again this summer. It's so pretty. I also get a lot of questions about polishing nails. If you guys want a video on how to polish your nails, please let me know. I honestly really take my time, and I just have my own method of how I like to do it. Most people, you know, I feel as though anyone can just polish their nails just fine. I do understand though wanting it to be really clean and not having to go back and do too much cleanup. But yeah, if that's something you guys want to see, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to film that for you guys. And again, these coats are getting cured for 60 seconds. After applying the second coat, I'm going in with that HEMA-free top coat, and we're going to apply a generous layer on all of the nail tips. Once I'm done applying the top coat to all of the nails, I'm going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds and then come back with the finished product. Again, I'm absolutely loving the brands coming out with HEMA-free polishes, especially because a lot of people have gotten a reaction to gel polishes and they're unable to use it, unfortunately, because they're allergic to HEMA. So I'm glad that there's so many options for everyone. And here is the finished product. Thank you again to Model Ones for this beautiful PR package. I can't wait to create some more looks in the future. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.